Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of accounts you have online? From social media to email, it can be a daunting task to manage them all. Today, we're going to dive into a specific account that might be cluttering your digital life: Credit Karma. Context: Credit Karma is a popular financial tool that offers free credit scores and reports. While it can be helpful for monitoring your financial health, there might come a time when you decide it's no longer the right fit. Perhaps you've found a better alternative, or maybe you simply want to declutter your online presence. Whatever the reason, deleting your Credit Karma account is a straightforward process. Step 1. Access your Credit Karma account. The first step is to log into your Credit Karma account. If you're having trouble remembering your login information, you can use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once you're logged in, look for a Settings or Account section. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find the Delete Account option within the Settings or Account section. You should find an option to delete your account. It might be labeled something like Close Account or Deactivate Account. Step 4. Confirm your decision. Credit Karma will likely ask you to confirm your decision to delete your account. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. Read the confirmation message carefully and click Delete Account or the equivalent button. Step 5. Verify your identity. To ensure the security of your account, Credit Karma may ask you to verify your identity. This could involve entering a security code sent to your email or phone number. Step 6. Confirm deletion. After verifying your identity, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision to delete your account one final time. Click Delete Account to proceed. Additional considerations. Data retention. Credit Karma may retain some of your data for a certain period after you delete your account. This is often for legal and compliance purposes. Reopening your account. If you change your mind, you may be able to reopen your Credit Karma account within a specific time frame. Alternatives. If you're looking for other financial tools to replace Credit Karma, consider researching alternative options that offer similar features. Deleting your Credit Karma account is a simple process that can help you declutter your online life. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily remove your account and take control of your digital footprint. If you have any questions or encounter difficulties during the process, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to assist you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.